Hi, my name is Dr. V. Doha, and today I'll be explaining to you different types of chiropractic techniques that we use in this clinic. So the most common type of technique is called diversified. So we use that mainly in this practice. So there are a few you may have heard of: Gonstead, Logan Basic, Cox Flexion Distraction. There's an activated method. So the most common technique we use is called diversified. We also use this activator for extremely adjusting. So that's your wrist, elbow, all the other joints we use here. This is a drop table, Thompson drop adjusting, so it makes a loud noise. Okay, the whole idea is you push down your spine when we do the adjustment. So there are a lot of different techniques. So, but if you're comfortable with the technique that you tried to diversify before, come in. We do have the state of quality equipment, and then we can adjust your spine.